When your vehicle needs servicing, you still have places to go and things to do. Isn't it a hassle waiting at the dealership, waiting for a shuttle, or waiting to organize a rental car? Then why wait? KINTO Share is a convenient and contactless service that provides you with access to a Toyota vehicle at your dealership to keep you moving. Ask your dealership service advisor to help you register as a KINTO Share member. It only takes minutes. Download the Canadian KINTO Share app, scan a picture of your driver's license, provide your mobile number and credit card information, and that's it. Once you've dropped off your vehicle for service, simply open the KINTO Share app and connect to your KINTO Share vehicle. Your phone is your key. It unlocks it, allows you to start it, and you're ready to go. It's that simple. You only pay for the time you need, and gas is included. You get a safe, reliable, and familiar vehicle that's regularly inspected and meticulously cleaned and sanitized by your dealership. When your own vehicle is ready, simply return to the dedicated KINTO Share vehicle parking spot. Complete the checkout process on your phone, and you're done. Stop waiting. Ask your dealership service advisor to book a KINTO Share vehicle for your next service visit.